In this lesson, we're going to learn about angles. So if we have a problem like this that says match the type of triangle to the correct word that describes it, and these are the triangles and these are the choices: obtuse, acute, and right. So first step is understand what these terms mean. Right, obtuse, and acute all describe a triangle based on its angles. Okay, so let's go through each one. Right means one angle is equal to 90 degrees. Acute means all angles are less than 90 degrees. And obtuse means one angle is greater than 90 degrees. Only one, okay? So now we can match the triangles based on the definitions that we just learned. So this triangle is a right angle triangle. One angle is 90 degrees. This little square in the corner means 90 degrees. Okay, and it's exactly like the corner of a box, right? Exactly square or exactly perfect, right? Now, let's go through the next couple. This is an obtuse. One angle is greater than 90 degrees. This angle is definitely greater than this, right? So we know this is an obtuse triangle. And then finally, this is an acute triangle. All angles are less than 90. This one's kind of easy to remember. It's a cute one, right? Because it's small, everything is tiny, right? So these angles are all less than 90 degrees. And that's the end of this lesson. And don't worry if you don't get this right away. You could just rewatch the video. And make sure to like and subscribe. And if you need extra help, check out the description. There's other videos there that are related to this, and you can check those out. As well, download the ebook. In the ebook, you'll find this exact lesson, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. And thank you very much for listening.